Yeah, well, you can see my screen. This was the actual error my one of the client was facing, and then she reached out so many people to fix that, and they couldn't figure out. And then finally, she came to me, and then yeah, I saw this screenshot, and then I asked her to give me your hosting access where you have purchased your hosting plan, and then she gave to me. And then what I did, it has the plan on the GoDaddy, and then I went there to visit the hosting plan, and I saw actually her hosting storage was full, so that's why she could not upload the product image on the WooCommerce, and this error was triggered. It says the missing a temporary folder, and then I suggested her to just upgrade the hosting plan. And then now if we're going to go her website here, and now if I'm going to upload a new product image from here, let me show you that quickly. And now it's going to be uploaded. Yeah, here you go. Here you can see that it's uploading, and then once it's done, here we go. Product is uploaded, and then we click on the set product image. So there is no any error was encountered now. So why it happened? Because sometimes we just do not see that how much we have space on our hosting plan, and we try to our sort of the techniques to fix that. By the way, this is how I figured out and solve my client issue. Hope if you see this kind of the error, please make sure to go your hosting and then see how much storage you have are left over. Then you always upgrade the plan to solve this kind of problem. Thank you for watching this video.